Hey, what's up subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. So, question. Anong meron kay KZ and TJ, Drew and Iya, Nico and Solen, and kay Ann at Erwan? Our next letter play button award goes to Jason Magbanua. Alright, so si Boss Jason is considered as the godfather of Philippine wedding films. Actually, hindi nga lang Pilipinas dapat worldwide. So sobrang dami niyang na-inspire na videographers dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, mas lalong nale-level up yung ganda ng mga wedding films dito sa atin. So I'm giving this award to Sir Jason Magbanua, to Boss J-Mag, for his inspiration. Sa inspiration niya sa mga wedding creatives, sa mga wedding photographers and videographers. Kasi yung ano niya is hindi lang yung para mapakita yung nangyayari sa wedding. Laging merong storya na nabubuo. So kahit celebrity wedding ka pa, kahit normal na wedding lang yan, merong story lagi dun sa weddings na ginagawa, sa wedding films na ginagawa niya. Again, this is to Boss Jason, and nga pala, kaka-birthday lang niya. So if I were you, go to his channel. Actually dalawa yun. Go to his Jason Magbanua channel, yung bagong create pa lang, kasi yung other channel niya, yung for weddings, nasa 200,000 subscribers na yun. Go to his other channel and do greet him a happy birthday. And also a shout out to our good friend also, si JC ko ng Pixie Dreams. Wedding filmmaker din siya, alam ko na-inspired din siya ni Boss Jason. Happy birthday to you, bro. Alright, so again, before we end this video, thank you again to our friends at BADOOK CLOTHING, Bell and Destro Lasso. So if you would ever get a shirt from them, use my code BDK Zebianmnl para meron kang 10% off sa kada purchase mo. And meron nga pala tayong free giveaway shirt from them and also from me. Just comment down below if ever ikaw magdi-design ng t-shirt, ano yung t-shirt na gagawin mo or t-shirt design na gagawin mo. And we will be choosing the winner before a week before Christmas, para Christmas nasa sa'yo na yung t-shirt. And again, if you're new to the channel, if you haven't seen our videos, do like, subscribe, and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong mapanood sa videos natin. Lastly, our letter play button again goes to Boss J-Mag. So if you want to see more of our videos, don't forget to check it out here, and our subscribe button is over here. So thank you, and Diyos mabalos!